What's up guys, I'm Cara Di Falco and here's what's quick in the cucina. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted red peppers. To roast your red pepper, there's really two ways to do it, and it really just depends on what type of cooktop you have. So I have one beautiful red bell pepper here, and we are going to use my gas stove top to just roast this over open flame until the skin turns black and becomes completely charred. Now the other option that we have if you have electric, so you don't have the open flame on top, is you'll put it in your oven in your broiler and continue to watch it and flip it until once again the skin turns black and becomes charred. Now that we've blackened the skin of our pepper all the way around, and the more charred the skin gets, the better it is. It's going to be easier to remove. We're going to let our pepper steam for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to place it in a glass bowl and I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap to seal it up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. The other way to do this, the very old school way to do this, but just as functional, would be to simply place it in a brown paper bag and seal up the paper bag. So in either case, we're going to let this rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to unwrap our bowl and we're just going to use our hands to peel the skin from the outer edge of the pepper. So we see our pepper is really soft, and any place that the skin was really blackened, it just peels off super easily. So we just want to get all of this off of here. Your hands are going to get messy. It's not the end of the world. We're just going to slice and seed our pepper. We'll get it into those nice fillets that we're familiar with that come out of the jar. But I will tell you, this is going to be so much better. So we're just going to go around the seeds like so. Get that membrane out of there. We will take the bottom. It can go right into our glass container. And I kind of like them big because we normally use these for sandwiches, so I'm going to just leave big pieces like that. Get this membrane out of here. There we go. This one we'll cut. This one too. So I just have them in a glass container that I can seal tightly. And the last thing we want to do to make sure we preserve these is cover them with olive oil, good olive oil. Now, I will tell you that once you refrigerate this, the olive oil, the fat in the olive oil is probably going to solidify on top. But it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it, and it's not bad. It's just not what you're used to seeing because we normally buy these jarred, right? But we want to make sure they're completely covered, and once they're completely covered in olive oil, these will hold up in your refrigerator for several weeks. And once again, like I said, in my house we like to use them on sandwiches and in salads. You can use them for whatever you would use a roasted red pepper for, and I guarantee you this is going to be much more delicious than what you would get in just any jar. So we're going to seal this up, pop it in the fridge, and that's it. That's how you make homemade roasted red peppers. I'll see you guys next time.